What's good, everybody? YouTube land, it's your boy, Hot Rod Fuego. Let's install some emblem. And man, I gotta admit, these bad boys look great. So I'm gonna put them on. I was feeling myself. I think this was a good visual modification for aesthetic purposes. So these bad boys looking good. So let me show you what they look like. Here they go. Hey, they look so beautiful, so pretty. Stainless steel mirror finish. And these will be going on the front fenders. That's right. They will be replacing this Camaro badge. So here you go. As you can see, I removed the badge. I didn't use a heat gun. I didn't use a blow dryer. I used some thread. Yeah, so I used some thread, some regular thread. Now I have to remove the glue. So let's get to that. So here we go with the first badge. Put on there evenly. How I cleaned the glue. I pretty much just used my hand and some heat, friction with my hand. And I just pulled it all off. And then it came off pretty smooth. Then I cleaned it, soap and water. And I used alcohol, 70% IPA to finish it up. Got it nice and dry. And here we go. This is the first badge. Yeah, and that looks good, I gotta admit. So time to go on the other side and do the other one. This took me probably about 10 minutes to do because of the glue. So here we go on the other side, and I'm gonna begin threading this. I don't want to use a heat gun or a blow dryer because I really don't want to take any chances with damaging the paint. So a little bit more elbow grease, just be patient and it'll come off. So let's go ahead and take this one off. All right, here we go with the passenger side front fender. Got that on there. Took about the same amount. Had to do the same thing, thread, no heat. Friction to take all the glue. Everything came off pretty good, pretty good. Again, this is a mirror finish, stainless steel. I think that looks really, really good. I think it looked way better than the other badge that originally came out here. We can compare badges, I think the new one looks far superior. And that's why it's on there. I just knew when I saw these that I had to get them. I had to put them on. They came in today, and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and take care of this. And I'm very pleased. So I am very pleased by these badges. I got them off of eBay. And on my channel, I'm gonna be extremely transparent. These were not cheap at all. I spent $85 for the pair. And I'm like, hey, if you got it, why not, right? Something that I really wanted to make you happy, go for it. But yeah, you can find these on eBay. I didn't see them on Amazon. Got them on eBay and they came shipped in about 5 days. So yeah, and regardless of the price, I feel real good about this purchase. So what a hell of a difference from the old badges. What a difference. Big difference. Big difference. I think that looks a lot more slick, mean. The edges, mirror finish, stainless steel. This one, you can see that it's red. Yeah. So there you go. The installation of the front fender badges, replacing these old dated badges. That's the end of the video. Hit that like, dislike. Make sure you subscribe, ring that bell. Thanks for watching my video on the replacement of the fender badges. Again, thanks for watching my video. Hot Rod Fuego was out. Till again.